What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please make sure to hit those A's. Let me know that you are there, and I'm going to go ahead and bring you into a trade that I'm currently live in, right? NVIDIA. I'm actually exposed right now with the Arca Bulls members, and I am actually in the money, just waiting for this thing to drop for its further trade. I'm looking for a downside move to 568.92, and this may actually happen in the next few minutes here. We're starting to get validations beneath the SMA 50, And this is that move. So heads up on your position, team, because this may be our, the third green trade for the day. So go ahead and keep your eyes on there. We're waiting for that potential drop all the way down to, I said 569.20. So at this point right here, bam, 12% out on this position. Get out right now, team. Not financial advice. I am talking about paper trades only. We are literally making these trades based on confirmations. Guys, make sure to join the Arca Bulls trading team, because this is now our third green trade on the day, and we are absolutely killing it. Congratulations, team, if you did take that trade with me and experience some training here, right? So quick moves. That puts us at about 22%, or I'm sorry, that puts us at about 32% up on the day now, at least for me. So if some of you are still in the position, I would consider closing the position out at this point, because I'm starting to feel a little nervous, and there could be a retracement back to the SMA 50 at this point, okay? Be very careful, but overall, NVIDIA could start making a complete breakdown to the EMA 200. I wanted to make sure that we can get a quick little benefit there from that IV pump. What I explained to you guys, look at volatility. We just got that expansion phase, right? So we want to make sure, and this is the retracement that I'm telling you, back to the SMA 50. Guys, we have to use our discretion, we have to use our intuition, and we have to use our experience behind the chart. Okay, team, so congratulations to you if you were able to take that trade, and congratulations to anyone else who did take that trade with me. So let's go ahead and continue observing the markets here, because there could be some weakness overall. So this is the SPY. The SPY arguably closed. I want to say it did close beneath the linear regression, and it shifted, right? So now the prior bar low, 473.40, that's currently the threshold right now. But if that's the case, then I think the conservative trader would just wait for the break beneath the EMA 200 on the 5-minute time frame. So CoinFox, it is do not use your iPhone on it. Go on a PC, and you will see the price of about $9.99, otherwise equivalent to 2 quarters a day. Aiden, dude, you're good to go. Come over here, man. My brother, I'm so happy that you were able to see it. Dude, I got to tell you, man, I was talking to the team yesterday, OGG, and I was telling them that I don't want to get too cocky, right? Because we're literally experiencing guys, I mean, for real, what is this now? I don't even know the days of green now. It's been literally like 10 trades green and two or three red. Yeah, that was a huge volatility drop. CoinFox, thank you so much for considering that, dude. Let me go ahead and put the I'm gonna put the link there so that you and the rest of the team on YouTube can consider this, because I'm gonna finish off. You know what? I spoke to Cryptic Trader, and he told me, you know what, dude, just consider maybe just finishing off the week, and then do your business, right? So now we're at about I think we're at about 66 members and counting, right? We released this new platform around 2.5 weeks ago, and it's doing good. And that's what I say, man. You know what? In exchange for those for the toll of the 2 quarters daily, right? I tell the team, just give me a day trade, right, and I'll return you that money. The SPY is still looking a little questionable. Let's take a look at Meta and see what's going on with that one there. Let's see. Right. Let me pull up the hourly time frame here. But Aiden, bro, good to see you, man. Yeah, I couldn't notify everyone. Oh, damn. Okay. So yeah, Meta has a little bit of an upside to go even still, right? So this is the prior bar high would be at 374.07. That could be an area to consider retracement, not a position. I'm saying consider a retracement, because that could be the long entry. So 373.99. we want to close that, or 373.97, right? We want to close and confirm above that at least with the 5-minute time frames to get an upside move. Okay, so there could be a shift here for a shorter time frame upside. Man, that's incredible. So I was looking at a 20. Actually, I said what was it? A 9 to 17 point drop. We faced a 10-point drop yesterday, and then it completely recovered. Right, so not bad, not bad. Let's see. Jeff, why am I unable to accept the invite? Guys, when you click on is anybody else experiencing that? Jeff, are you on a PC or are you on a phone? Double X, my brother, good to see you, dude. To be I've been simulator trading I've been simulator trading here with the team. I'm up like 32% up on the day on a demo account, right? Because I'm still unable to trigger actual positions. So, but I'm just doing the simulator trading and the simulator training, right? So, but yeah, 3 green trades so far, man. And looking at, okay, you're on a PC? Oh, let me give you this. Let me give you this this invite. See if you can click on this one, Jeff. Okay. Yeah, meta feeling a little something there. Netflix still consolidating around this area. I'm wondering if it's going to need the other hourly close beneath the linear regression. And let's see what Tesla is saying, right? Okay, so yeah, Tesla, we pulled out at the right time here, and it's retracing from the EMA 200. It says you don't have access to this link. What? No. What? Can you type? Are you able to go inside of the Arca Lounge? No. I'm talking to Jeff Nielsen. He can't accept my invite. Jeff, can you type in the Arca Lounge, please? He is on a desktop. Oh, no, Jeff, you're in that's the Arc University. Go to the Arca Bulls Discord. The other one that looks like it's a similar picture. And if I can share with you, Jeff, look at my screen. You want to go into this Discord down here, not this one. That's the Arc University. You want to go to the one that says Arca Bulls. You cannot get into it. Hey, Cryptic, you by any chance, what's your name in Discord? Is it Jeff? Jeff Fish? Okay. Hold on just a sec. Oh, I remember that you were. I remember that you were one of the ones that clicked on the old tier that I was in the process of undoing. That was the old that was that you? That it was like for $3.99. That was when I was getting doxxed and like all this crazy crap was happening to the YouTube. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Let me check on something here. Yeah, the plays are at a standstill now. Hold on just a moment, brother. Uh, let's see. Or where's the add members thing? What the hell? I don't even see you in there, man. Oh, good. That's a good question. No, no, not yet. But this would be that's understandable because in 5 hours and 46 minutes we get this bi-daily close, and then we switch here. It really just moves primarily at the closing of every bi-daily period. Jeff, so I see I see our DMs. When you are you able to click on you're DMing the I mean that's you're DMing the Arca Bulls Discord. That's me, right? So how are you not inside though? How are you not in the like I can't see you, bro. And I don't have you blocked or anything. So let me see. Hold on. I'm still looking. This was what I was talking about here. So closing a 5 minute candle, the next candle closure would do it for meta, right? So that would be one more candle closure. Tom R, what is up, dude? Jeff saying, let me. What the heck is going on? Yeah, cryptic. You by chance didn't block somebody named Jeff Fish? Did you? Does that sound familiar to you at all? He might be on the line with his mentor too. Let's see. I'm gonna create an invite and pass it to you inside of Discord. Let me see if that makes any difference at all. Click on that link, please, brother. Okay. So where did the closure happen on the 5 minute? Man, what freaking photo finish over here? What the hell? Oh my goodness. It closed slightly below it. So that's technically a downside. Okay, so yeah, it would come back down to validate some moving averages. No way. I'm gonna send another one, but I'm gonna do it from hold on, brother. Let me go to that old tier. The crazy thing is that I also don't see you in that tier either, which is just the weirdest thing in the world. Let's see. Says you're banned from that guild. Wait a second. All right, let me look for you in banned. Why the hell would you be banned? Let me see. You are. Why the hell are you banned? Click on that link again, bro. Click on the link on the nobody likes me. Click on the link that I sent to your DM again. That same one. What the hell, man? Guys, did you notice here on Meta that tiny difference? The photo finish difference of the clothes? That's I'm telling you, man. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll send you another one, but restart your Discord. So close it out. And I'm going to give you another link. Easy J saying earnings season is causing some market disconnect. I think so. Yeah. What are the earnings right now? Actually, are we in the earnings for? Isn't it the banks? Or who's getting the reads today? Crazy amount. I want to know that, Jeff. I want to know that it worked once you close it out, and then you come back in. So, team, we are YouTube team. That is right. Let's see. Yeah, it is crazy mixed. So, guys, know that the Arca Bulls trading team and let's hold on. So I can go ahead and display to you what that presently looks like. Let me go into voice channel here. So this is YouTube. This is actually what where I am, right, with the team here. So we've been streaming since about 2 or 3 minutes before market open, and we're about three green trades in already, and I don't even know how many green trades in a row daily, but this is why I am saying to please consider joining the Discord, as I'm gonna be. I think I'm just gonna close out this week, and I'm on Monday. Team is gonna be effective. I'm gonna be starting private, and I will trade with the Arca Bull members. So please go ahead and consider hitting that link and joining. Team. So yeah, there's the photo finish. I'm telling you, man. Look at this. It completely invalidated the continuation to the upside. Sometimes things could be really that particular. Nice. Tesla is moving down. Right. So this was the prior. Yeah, this was the prior bar low to break. This is going to be a little dangerous. Okay, please be very, very careful over what happens next, because if this hourly candle starts to close, I mean, the real thing is to close beneath the linear regression. But if it closes beneath the linear regression with the body up here somewhere, that would then introduce a tweezer bottom. But the 5-minute time frame looks like a dead cat bounce. So let's speculate on that. Let's look at Tesla here for a potential downs. Oh my goodness. Let me go back to, I want to make sure that Jeff is in here too. Jeff, I'm still looking out for you, buddy. Let me know that you were able to catch up. So Arca Bulls members, sorry, I'm not on the chat right now, so I'm not really looking. I'm actually trying to get Jeff back in here. KD, how you doing? Is it going to be the larger priced stocks like Meta, or will you still be doing penny stocks as well? To be honest with you, I am gonna put together a thesis for. It's another audition piece, actually. I'm gonna for MMAT, as it does have a complete fired signal. And I will show. It's just I haven't even mentioned it to the team because I'm not fond of micro caps or small caps. I used to do that a lot, but yeah. Let me just kind of show everybody anyway. So MMAT is it's let me see. Holy crap, I think I have a back test already for it. I started to run the back test. I mean, there have been a few more iterations since, but let me see if this was the upside or downside. Oh, I have both. Nice. 52% probabilities for a 58% as of July. That was contraction to expansion. See? Ooh, this is an older back test. I almost feel like I want to redo these back tests. These are from expansion, and this was actually a different condition that I'm used to now. Yeah, I may actually, yeah, I may actually just back test that because it's been so long. And so let's pull up MMAT here. Just to give a quick example, right? Because I started running a back test in the wrong chart, but I could just create a duplicate of this, right? So this was me starting the contraction phase to expansion, the iteration count. And this is what I'm presently looking at. Yesterday, I spoke to, I think it was Busy Brands, and I was explaining to them how I see like a setup happening on this, and that we were likely to drop into this area down here. I'm going to show you the targets, right, based on maybe a 12-hour. So here is, yeah, I said that this would be the entry range here, right? So within these targets, that would be entry. And take a look at the wick here, coming right down to the 655. I actually had 650. It was supposed to be 652 though, but yeah, the wick ended up reaching a low of 650. So this thing reached perfectly to my bottom side target, and now it's starting to retrace. And this is expected because I'm expecting a move into this range over here. These four targets are the potentials here. And that marks off a pretty large move. And the reason why I'm saying that is because of this. Now, let's go to the daily time frame and explain it real quick. Yeah. All right, Cheche, do your thing, man. I'll talk to you soon. Love you, dude. Peace. So, guys, yeah, this is what I'm looking at. Let me see if, yeah, there we go. Just try to get some. It's a freaking nightmare over there, man. Okay. I am looking for any time that volatility has expanded from, started an expansion phase with both an upside pivot on both the moving average and volatility component. This is already fired off. The stochastic momentum is now inside of the bullish control zone. The 4-hour time frame last night showed that there could be a downside, which is how I was able to determine what downside that was today for the potential continuation. That daily setup, the signal fired off. Yeah, it looks like it fired off on Friday. And I back tested just real quick, just a fast back test, like not even really measuring it. Most of those moves are, look at this one here. That's a 57%, 42%, 58%, 117, 101, 136, 102. Like there's a bunch of 100% iterations in this. And that makes me feel that it would be a move somewhere between 50 to 80% or 50 to 100% on average. And there are some critical resistances along that 82%, 80% range. And yeah, up to maybe just shy of 12 cents. I'm thinking that it can make that move. So I am going to run a back test on this. So it's not going to be often, and I wasn't going to do this really, but it's I'm going to show that I just called it an audition piece because it really is. So I'm auditioning for something. They want to know my batting average, right? So I'm going to show them that my system is applicable to not only mega caps and blue chips, but it's also applicable all around. It's just it's a fully universal application. And I may actually back test I don't know, a setup on XRP coin or something. I may do it in crypto as well to show the versatility here. But this is my third audition piece, and so far it's working out to my favor. But I need to finish the back test on this. But good question. Thank you so much for asking, right? Because yeah, I am considering to do some small cap, but I'm really trying to just I'm really trying to just step away from that as much as I can, right? Because I got to tell you, man, it's just the crowd there is very it's a little too intense, and it's taking away it's taking away from my concentration for the trade. Like that my concentration shouldn't be around drama. You know what I mean? My concentration should be about the trade. I'm training here, and I really want to display to the team that outside of that noise, within closed doors, you can see the true shine, right? So, and they're literally seeing that. Buzz, what's up, dude? Good to see you. Let's see, morning guys. Roy at the target from last night. Let's go. Nice, dude. I forgot what I said, but but it's nice to know that it is at that target. And did we ever see Teaser come back in? I didn't see that guy come back in. Okay. Well, let me go to, I forgot what I said about that ticker, bro. So let's see what it's doing though. Dude, I'm not going to even pretend. I don't even remember. You said like 352-ish? Okay, nice. So okay, cool. I think, yeah, dude, be careful here, okay, dude? You want to reacquire the AMA 200 in order for this to continue here. Usually breaking down beneath the SMA 50. Yeah, is that what I said? That this would start breaking. This is dangerous, okay? If you start closing more candles, but especially beneath the 350 area, this can reverse a little more. Okay. The hourly. I see, dude. Good memory. Thank you. Let me see. Right, it did. Holy crap, that's right. I remember speaking about this ish. Right, so it did. Yeah, nice. Another reason it would probably too, dude, is because you have this. I hate that this damn thing is open. It's an hourly bearish engulfing too, man. And this candle would be the next one to show the effects of a bearish formation like that. And I mean, yeah, like I said, team, I don't mean not to cover. I don't mean not to cover small caps and the micro caps. It really is just because of what I said, team. I can't. You like I'm over there trying to defend myself and stuff. Like why? Somebody pointed that out. They're like, dude, you're trying to defend yourself when you're not. Like, you don't have to prove yourself to anyone. You've already proven yourself so many times over and over. This person was telling me, like, you just got to understand there's going to be haters and there's going to be lovers and whatever. So that person was right. They were saying, dude, you should be training. You should be worried about your strategies and building for the community, And that person was right. But my whole thing was just I can't deal with that drama, man. I can't deal with that, and I really wanna just show my best here for whoever is willing to take the ride with me. You know what I mean? So that's why team. This damn link in the chat. That's why this is my attempt at that. To never look back. Daniel, yes, he is. He can join. He can join the chat right now if he wanted to. My analysts, I don't know if I got them all, but my analysts are in. The Discord problems have been figured out, and this is why I'm saying that tomorrow may be the last public stream. I'm gonna go ahead and shift over. Ian, dude, man. I was talking about you, man. Dude, no, Buzz, you can do it from your phone. Wherever you are right now, you can just go in there, man, and take the Arca Bulls Discord and go into the chat. Ian saying, Arca, you take care of you, ignore the hate, drink their tears up. You offer learning and education. All the experienced traders do. So fuck them and feed them a fish head. Wall Street Ponzi, my brother, good to see you here. Tesla's moving down. Nice. Okay. Oh, thank goodness. So this would be the dead cat potential, right? So we're looking at a target of around 210.74. Team, I would start to look at the breakdown from 213.20. We need to cross that. 213.20 is where I told you we would bounce from. That's the pre-market low. Alfredo Hernandez saying, I'll follow you to the end, my brother. Dude, I appreciate that so much, my bro. So much. I can't even tell you. And Aiden Davis is in the chat right now, right? In the Arca Bulls Discord. Yeah, what you're observing here, team, is the whole team inside right here, right now with me, right? So we're trading the AM, the early. Aiden is saying Arca is one of the best down-to-earth persons I've ever met. Got you for life, brother. Oh, my dude. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you greatly, dude. So here we go. Let's see if it can break down beneath that 213.20 finally, right? So the idea here would be to close a 5-minute candle beneath that level. So it already got one tick below the pre-market low, but we just want to make sure that we can close a candle beneath that pre-market low. We need confirmation in order for us to open position here. So what you're hearing me say, team, these are guided plays, and that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm doing here every day with the Arca Bulls members. There we go. Wait for it, right? No, do not FOMO into this. Gotta wait. With the Arca Bulls members. Gotta wait for that. Guys, there's a live mic.
My bad.
I got it, buddy. What's up, Buzz? So, guys, this is the break that we're waiting for, right? 2 minutes and 28 seconds left. We want to close this. We want to close this first. And then, the following candle will give you the answer. So let's just wait for it. It's there though. The setup is here. Just wait for it. We're completely breaking down the SMA 50. The SMA 5, EMA 7 and 9 are above us, right? And let's see how many 2 minutes still to go. This is why you don't FOMO that, right? You would have already been in the crazy negative, and it's coming right back up above it, right? Oh my goodness. Just so I'm clear, we're looking for a closing confirmation underneath. I'm making sure I'm glad. Yeah, that's right, Ian. Completely. Yeah, that is absolutely right. So for Tesla, yeah, this would be Tesla long puts, right? But we need to be very vigilant over the setup. Okay, we need to make sure that we can get confirmations and validations before anything, and then we'll be able to move on that play. Okay, so eyes open, be very sharp about this, right? We are literally preying on the hunters here, right? We're about to pounce.
So hard to sit on the sidelines. I'm drooling right now watching all this.
Oh, GG, damn it. Oh, no. Oh, dude, I think the volatility, man, it's been crazy over the last 2 weeks for sure. I can't even front. It's been like I said, man, yeah, it's been pretty damn good. And the family has definitely yeah. Dude, the initial entry for Tesla, brother. 43 seconds left, right? I think that's close enough. Look at this, OGG. I think I had it in. No, it was definitely inside of this chart. Look at this, dude. OGG, what you're seeing here, this was like the day you didn't show up. Right in here, I said we would get an upside. This would be the entries. Cryptic was already seeing a downside on this, so was I. Tesla, 10 seconds left. Still not closing beneath the 213.20, 5.4, 3. Yeah, not quite yet. This is not confirmation yet. This means that it can still ride up further to validate other moving averages as for its resistance. So definitely no confirmation for this just yet. But yeah, OGG, look at this. This was entry here. And this is what's happened since. And that was based around this back test. This was a gnarly back test. Check this out. This was a bi-daily volatility versus stochastic momentum back test. And upon the signal firing, this could still show a further downside from where we are right now, meaning that the signal needs to have the final component added. The moving average must cross the 15%. And we've been looking at it since down here. And this was all based on this, my dude. These blue bars on BBWP signal anytime that volatility is beyond and lower than the 2.4% contraction. So these are 6 bi-daily bars. So every time there's a bi-daily close, you'll print a blue bar as long as it is beneath 2.4%. So there are 6 bars printed. The last time that Tesla did something this big was in July of 2013, marking 10 bars of critical contraction, followed by a, I think it was, here, I'll just show you where that was. It was one of the biggest upsides that it's ever had. So this was a historic low, second biggest iteration that we've ever been in as far as contraction. So check the price out here. These were the 10 bars that it did. Price action pretty much at the moment of expansion right here. Look at what price did. Freaking ran. I mean, it went from 265 down to 1093. I'm sorry, 1093 to $2.27, and then ran all the way to $13 based off of this historic contraction phase. And we haven't had a contraction phase that big ever until now. And I caught it. Bro, massive play.
That's sick, bro.
Crazy, stupid play, bro. So this I was telling the people, a cryptic trader was back there. He was like, dude, I'm looking at Tesla super weak. This thing could really start capitulating. I started looking at it too. I was like, dude, you know what? This back test is leading to a potential 30 to 40 point drop. I said, you know what? We could see a $200 Tesla in a couple weeks, man, from 240. So this, it hit 212.01 yesterday, and there is still weakness, man. The only risk that I'm seeing is this, that there is kind of an acting regression here on the stochastic momentum, and we are dangerously close to that, right? So I'm not sure if it's going to do it because of the this pivot doesn't show, reversal, but then, I mean, you can see here that it is very well capable of it. I don't see it as likely, but I have to put out that warning, right? But I'm still expecting a drop sub 200. And especially if the signal fires with a continuation to the downside on stochastic, we could even see high 160s, low 170s even. Like this can really fall. My first area of interest would be 193. But dude, yeah, this is a massive, massive play, bro, and it's not done. And the next one was yesterday for Meta. I said this was likely to drop 5.5%, which is equivalent to around 9 to 17 point drop. It dropped 10 points yesterday. So another statistic play in the bag, and now I'm doing the one that I'm explaining to people for MMAT. This is the, if I can give you the epitome of a perfect setup with not the ideal asset, it would be this. So you're noticing the three components that are 100% needed in order for an upside validation here with volatility versus stochastic momentum. You're looking at stochastics in the bullish control zone, expansion beyond the 15th percentile, and most importantly, ADX sitting at 27% with the DMI plus on top. Anything above 25% ADX is a strong market trend towards whoever's leading. So this is this is a huge play. I think it could lead to maybe 60, 80, 100% upside. But it can't, because this is so perfect, it does not mean that this play can turn into an A plus setup. First of all, I'm not seeing anything fundamentally. Second of all, it's under huge scrutiny and it's under a lot of psychological pressure because of MMTLP. Third of all, it's a micro cap asset and a micro float. The micro float and micro cap fact is enough for me to tell you that it's not a B minus trade even then. This is at best a C plus trade, which means now that you have anywhere between, let's just say that you're a trading portfolio, right, is 1%. Let's look at the 1% of your allowable trading to be the 100% of your trading portfolio, right? So that 1% it means 100. If you are willing to max risk 1% on a trade, this trade for me would be no more than 40% entry of that 1%. So at the max, meaning that it's high risk. So I want to make sure to keep the portfolio risk low. Cannot do high risk, and I can't do the pair. I can't high risk on a high risk play. I cannot do that. So just know that those are my conditions here. But what I am looking at is that this upside that I'm looking for on this asset, I will say it right now, I am looking at it to be a nefarious pump, because this thing could ride into between 12 and 14 cents and dump, releasing and giving back 100% of its gains. So I think it is looking for new bag holders up here.
Love the setup, hate the asset.
Yep, exactly, man. And you know, dude, as a master student, those setups are they're so. It's reliable. It's reliable, and it's a system that is working and continuously working on across the board. So if it's going to work, it could either allow somebody to gain something back here or release risk that from wherever they are up here, because I don't think there's going to be a better shot at this. Tesla is coming down. Okay, good deal, team. Good deal. All right, so that's the break of the pre-market. We're waiting 1 minute and 55 seconds for this close. We needed to close beneath. Now we needed to close beneath the prior bar's low. Okay, so that would be the close of this wick. 212.82. Wait for it. You got a minute left. Destiny, I will look at that. So here, the play could happen, team. But we just need some confirmations here, okay? It's just, the volatility is not my favorite right now. But we want to make sure to catch it right before it really starts to slide down. We still haven't gotten any close beneath the 213.20. No candles have closed thus far. This would be the one. And if it can close beneath these prior bar lows, then even better. Okay, it's coming. 50 seconds left. Heads up. KD, that sounds all too familiar, man. I did the same. In fact, I started with $88 after all the blowups. The entry.
All right, people, what's up?
27 seconds left. 26 seconds. Hold it. What's up, SA?
Nada, aquí nomás chingando esto.
Bro, this is a potential.
Taking me on a whirlwind, man.
Oh, 14
I got
seconds.
in, freaking went the other way.
Oh, dude.
Coming down now. Tesla. That's why I hate trading Tesla.
Dude, it's like a wild stallion, man. So, okay, here's the close, team. Nice, okay. I just don't like that we have two wicks that are lower than us, right? So those are feeling weird to me. But, I mean, honestly, this could be a zone to enter really, really, really lightly.
Look at 211.50 for target one.
211.50. Let me see. Where was that? I'm just below that. I'm at an overall take profit of 210.75. So 211.50 may be a better exit. So
I mean, target one, not.
Oh, you mean for the further downside? Because, dude, this could really, it's feeling like as soon as it beats 212.01, that it's gonna slide down.
What are you getting to 210 based? I got a linear regression channel at 211.36.
I got a linear regression at what the heck just happened?
At 211 is okay.
211.60 is mine, dude. We're pretty consistent. My paper trade team is in the green right now. I'm literally talking about a paper trade for me because I'm still unable to trade a real account. So I am in the goodness gracious. Again, the Tesla doing its thing.
Yeah, Tesla always retest. Don't even worry about it. I'm
literally at minus 0.01%. I'm at break even now. Zenon, as far as what, buddy? I'm bullish on it though. Okay, but again, what the hell? Dude, what?
Oh, we just hit a pivot.
What's that, dude?
We just hit a pivot. That's a little bounce, you see.
Oh, right. I'm sorry.
72.
What the hell? Hold on.
Tesla.
Like I'm tripping right now, dude. What?
That one dude is texting me that he's banned from here, from subscriptions.
Jeff?
Artso, whatever his name is.
Not Jeff Fish, right?
No, Dartso, whoever that is.
Oh, what? Wait. I just saw him in here. He's in here.
Is it?
Darth Zoe? Yeah, I see him. He's literally in the chat.
I gave him another invite. I don't know. He said he was banned for some reason.
What the hell? Wait a second.
He's in the Discord. But he said his subscription was banned. Oh, there he is. Okay, good. You got back in?
Oh, I think he might have tried to open on the old tier. The one that when I was getting that was your brother. But he's good now?
Yeah, but I got a message. I was banned.
What the hell? Dude, yeah, you're in here right now. That's clearly not true.
Yeah, you're not banned. If you're in here, you're not banned, dude.
You are chilling. You know, dude, this was really weird. The way that these puts were working, they were gaining value as I was increasing. So that scared me. So I closed it at break even. I'm like, what the hell?
It's coming down.
Yeah, but dude, I'm telling you, as it was coming down, it was going negative further on puts. Like strictly on puts. I have no idea what the hell it was doing. But I'm gonna try it again, right? Because I'm
Let's see if this touches the 9 again.
yeah, I know the IV can do that. That would be negative Vega, minus Vega, sorry, but the SMA 5 is a potential resistance. So, okay, I just regained very little exposure here, and I'm getting nervous even though I'm literally on a demo account, right? Because I treat it as though it was actually a position.
Well, that's how you learn.
Yeah,
you gotta have the same emotion on the demo.
And then sometimes people can't do that, so they will like for right now, my position is up 7.5%. Some people aren't able. You're still down?
I'm still down $5 grand on this.
I honestly
come on down.
Yeah, I honestly think you'll be cool, and I wouldn't know.
It's because of the pullback.
Yeah,
the pullback got me. I'm still good.
Yeah, I'm like 9% up at this point, so.
Hopefully we hit that 210 or even the 207.79.
The 207.7. Damn, you think?
That would be the next target. That's the next target that we hit, the 210.
Ooh. My linear regression on the hourly is sitting at 211.53. And then on following that next bar, I mean, we did have a discretion here at 206.89 to 207.81. You and I spoke about that. My position right now, team, is 15% up.
I don't know if it hits it, but
yeah,
it's possible. You always leave runners just in case.
Yeah, and to tell you the truth, I will add risk at the break of 212 and confirmation of 212.35. Honestly, I think it would be better off at 212.01, as it could be a nice little gainer there. Position is sitting at 16.42% up. Now it's 18% up.
Okay.
Let me see if I can just. Sitting at 22% up, 24% up on demo. How the hell do you take this? How the hell do you unlink it? Yeah, dude, where do you click to unlink the to bring the window out?
What? In
I'm just gonna fucking show people like.
Just right click it. Right click the top bar. get their frame window configure up and pop out.
Dude, I'm literally 40% up right now. Like I hate that I'm not like actually trading the real play right now, dude. I would be up.
You know, by the time you start trading, you're gonna start losing.
Dude,
it works. You
no,
get like 4 red days in a row. That's how it works out. Averages, bro.
Stupid ass thing. It would be on that. It would be on some bullshit like that for sure.
Here comes target one.
Am I sensing FOMO here?
Say again.
Am I hearing some FOMO come out of your mouth, Arca?
Me? No, dude. I'm up. I'm up 40%.
No, with the wanting to do the real account.
Oh, dude, my account is I still need to. They're not accepting my passport, bro. So I'm sorry. They're asking for my passport. They're not accepting only my ID. But this
and you said you needed to renew it. Why didn't you PDF edit it yet?
Check. You really think I can get away with something like that, huh, man? I
mean, you're dealing with a broker that's not in the country. It's not following any of the U.S. rules and requirements. What's the worst that can happen? They just
hold on, buddy. I am 52% up, team. This is getting very close to that. Guys, we already hit the 211 target that we were talking about. I'm sorry, options. Hold on, buddy. I know that people are open and risk right now. I'm looking at a 210.81. Okay, that's my overall take profit. My position is sitting at 55.2% up. Right, 53, 52, lingering around there. Okay, so watch out. Okay, keep an eye on your position here because at any moment we could start reverting. We are at the linear regression support. I'm going to honestly just take profit
here.
Yep.
Yeah, take profit here.
Dude, we would.
Not financial advice.
Not financial advice.
Not everybody else.
Yep. Guys, I closed at 52% up. That's it's fine there.
Hey, I'm back green today.
Nice.
It just took a little beep and I'm green.
So I was only able to capture a picture just before I realized, but this is where I was at the time, right, team? Very tiny little risk, but to play that kind of gain, though.
We break to 211, and we got the lower target, but we'll see.
Yeah,
I think it's going to retrace here.
Guys, this is the 4th green trade on the day, so please freaking consider hitting that damn link because I may
It's
not.
Like the carrot did a good job.
Here we go. Here we go.
There it goes. It falls even more right. The target for me was 210.80. This is the take profit for the dead cat bounce. Right in here. That's it. That's the dead cat bounce target. Okay, and it's bouncing right from it. That's interesting. But there's more downside. So so keep it moving.
If we roll up, here's your chance to reposition. We need to break the linear regression at 210.03.
We just got the closure, so this would be the time to load around
11.03.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So you would have to wait a little bit and scale in if you're doing options, right? Be very careful. Because this needs to retrace a little bit.
To retrace a bit, yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at a 211.22.
I'm looking at 210.
210?
Sorry.
Oh, the entry.
10. No, the exit.
I see. So yeah, right around here, I could start getting a little bit of exposure again. Right, because this was the downside play into the hourly close cover position, re-enter at validation or at the validation resistance, and then again hit the targets again. Right. So
okay, here we come.
I'm
looking for two.
I am up 5% up. I am up 6% now on the day.
Boom.
On this position, but remember, team, I've already realized that around I think 86% up today.
You doing the 1 DTE?
No, buddy. I'm doing the January. These are weekly because these don't have the 0Ds until Friday. It would just be
Friday,
weekly.
Right?
Tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow's Friday. It is 0 DT.
It's 1 DTE.
It's one day to expiry.
Okay, cool.
My position is sitting at 10% up, team. I am sitting at 10, 11%. Wait for that break. It's going to happen.
Here
eyeballs.
comes
11% up.
target. Dude, if we break this,
It's gonna slide
Dude.
way down.
it's gonna slide. It could go. Yeah, it's gonna slide big time.
Guys, I'm super excited for you to be observing and also playing this. So just wait for that. Wait for that one. It's the reason why it's pumping is because we got 1 minute and 49 seconds left to close this 5-minute candle. Right, my position is still sitting at 10.62% up, 11.5%.
Come on, baby. Don't do this. Come on.
And this break here, yeah, man, this is the validation of the break from the low.
I got a 210.78 break. It needs. It's here. It's here. It needs to confirm. That's all.
Yeah,
And
I agree with it.
I see nothing.
Hey, this is so hard to sit and watch.
Damn it, OG! I hate it, bro.
Killing me right now, but I won't let myself trade till next week until my head gets clear.
That's the best way to treat the psychology, man. I agree.
Yeah, bro. You'll make it up, dude. Shoot. Come on.
Man, yeah. Come on, bro.
Come on, dude. No biggie.
Come on, man.
Come on, SA.
Come on, SA.
Come on, freaking Testa. Get down, bitch. 206 final target. No, 207 final
volatility is entering. Volatility is entering the asset.
Come on. We break this, we're gonna go.
Oh my goodness. I feel it there. I feel it there.
Come on, bitch.
Oh man.
Bitch.
14 seconds is gonna start sliding, team. Heads up. This is the implied volatility pump that you want here. We're about to experience it. Bulls cannot hold that long, man.
No, that's it.
Come on, man. I'd be surprised if it pumps.
Hold.
Fuck, I probably could have made my whole copay back for my medical bills for the last 2 weeks just on this one play.
Oh no, dude.
Like OGG, like pretending he was dying. We know he was in jail. It's Bill Bondsman.
OGG, you were beating people up in jail. I know you.
Freaking OGG. He's making people his bitches in jail.
Oh, yeah, dude.
That's my voice right now. It's from all the zoo handlers' talks down my throat.
Man, I'm feeling the pressure. The position is still sitting 5% up. I am definitely not negative.
It's a Bollinger that's holding it. That's all.
Is it really? The 2 standard deviations?
Yeah, it's a Bollinger.
Oh, goodness.
Yeah. Bollinger's holding it, but Bollingers aren't that powerful. So
yeah, no.
So it's going to break it.
Oh, my goodness, dude.
Because the Bollinger is right at 73, and that's where it is. That's where it's holding. 210.73.
Oh,
once it breaks this, it's gone.
Break it, man. Break it. Yeah, because this is the cleanest linear regression break you could get, man. This is ready. This is ready.
What's it? Hey, options. Once this breaks, it's gonna drop its pants like Luna. He'll get that.
Yeah, I'm exiting out and taking profits on some of my contracts right now.
It's gonna be dropping his pants like Luna Classic, bro.
Like Luna.
Oh my goodness. Come on, man.
This was all due to the carrot pitcher. This is the carrot pitcher causing this.
Dude, it failed the carrot test, man. I can't believe that it failed the carrot test. That is crazy, man. I didn't even know it was a thing until you mentioned that or the news or whatever. Wild times here. Oh my goodness, team. I'm not joking. I'm sitting at 1%. Ugh, goodness gracious. Come on.
I'm telling you that band is holding it.
Yeah, it really is.
As long as we don't break above the band, the linear regression, we're fine.
You see the open interest increase to 29,000 contracts.
Did it really? On what strike?
In the 216 strike.
Oh, that's way in the money. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm sitting at minus 2% on this. I look at the hourly time frame. It feels like it just wants to come back to it.
2/16 expiration. Sorry.
Oh, February 16th. I'm sorry. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been gradual. It's been
buddy. Wait, was it just me or did he fade out?
He faded out.
It was kind of like a truck, like.
It's because he can't afford good internet.
No, it's the.
Look, he can't afford good internet.
Bro, the thing is fading out.
People, and he freaking has a dial-up.
Don't have options. Do not do a dial-up, brother. Do not do AOL online. Yeah, brother, it's completely failing. It sounds like bzz, bzz, bzz.
You got mail.
You've got mail.
No, it's these Bose headsets that I have. They're noise
running out of battery. Oh,
yeah.
Active noise cancellation. It'll do that at the gate. Come on, man. Is it going to validate there? Is it going to get the resistance of the linear regression and do its little dance or what? Everyone gets so offended when you trash their internet speed. I know, especially in the gaming world, bro. You'd say that to somebody, it's like, no. Oh, dude, that's funny.
What, man? The fuck?
I have Verizon Fios, man.
Fios.
Oh my goodness, dude. How is that, dude? This is the impossible happening right now. People are like, wait, I don't know if it's gonna continue dropping. Maybe you should go back and validate.
It's fine.
These guys suck. This is making me sit at minus 4% now. A bunch of liars. Reddit IPO in March? No way. Whoa. I gotta tell you that I don't
hope Tesla doesn't come back to touch the 9 because it's gonna fuck up your options.
Yeah.
Which it might.
And then, bro, we're going to have to create an online community, you and I, and call it the Tesla Nefarious Pump and Dumpers, okay? And we're going to bitch about why we're losing. We're going to create the short sellers took us, and we're shorting it.
Yeah, we're gonna be crying for market change.
No, yes, we're gonna be needing the longs to be transparent with us because we were short this asset and this had an 82% probability for a downside, and the longs took us. The longs are nefarious here. OGG saying this is awesome. OGG, I didn't even tell you this. Check this out, dude. When you're in Discord, you're actually getting I'm talking a 1 second. I think that's probably about it. A 1 second delay from my voice to your ears, while YouTube is getting like a 7-second delay.
Bro, I keep hearing all this stuff, and I gotta laugh a little bit because I'm so far up in the mountains in Colorado, disconnected from the world with my Starlink and a laptop.
Nice. Another guy in Colorado.
I think he's just telling me that he has 2 second delay instead of 7. We improved it.
2 second.
We improved it, bro.
Hey, bud, I'm hearing Castle Rock.
Castle Rock?
Yeah.
Buzz, you're saying Starlink?
Awesome. I'm in Durango right now, and I have a property up in Hartselle as well.
Nice.
Dude, OGG is a little whale himself. He just will never tell you.
What do you think is a freaking big whale?
He's also a buff whale.
Yeah, he's a big buff freaking prison raping whale.
He's like, dude, if I wasn't in this, man, so apparently got depleted a little bit.
Got prison rape, that's for sure.
OGG be like, come here, bend over.
Dude, that's why OGG is like my best friend because I can't become his bitch. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna make sure to leave a guy like that as my friend.
Dude, if I'm in jail, you gotta be friends with OGG. He protects you. Because you're a little pussy. But OGG.
You know that movie? Have you ever seen The Butterfly Effect with Ashton Kutcher? You know
I
that
love that movie.
you love the dude that guy that protects him. He goes, it was the Lord Jesus Christ himself, man. How did your hands do that? Right, the big buff dude. He protects him. That's literally OGG to me.
Have you seen the series Reacher?
Yes, with the dude from 300.
When he's in jail, and when he protects him.
Oh
He's a
right.
little pussy guy, and then here comes a big ass dude like, "This is my bitch."
Yeah, it was
Just messes up that black fool.
Dude, yeah, it was I remember the movie. I saw it a while ago with Gerard Butler. That was his name.
And that's a series. They have a series on.
Was
on
it
Amazon.
really? I saw the first one. I haven't seen.
It's like it's newish. It's a big bad OGG looking Reacher.
Yeah. OGG, when can you go back to the gym, bro?
We can't lose your muscle mass before jail.
Yeah.
24 pounds in 3 weeks I lost.
How much?
24?
24 pounds.
No, wow.
I just started eating again like 4 days ago.
Holy crap, dude. Man, that's literally muscle depletion. And if you didn't have that before, holy crap, you would have been in bad shape.
I'd have died if I wasn't in the shape I was in, for sure.
I would have been over there, man. I would have been over there finding what ticker they are. I'm going to short the crap out of them. If ever I would be accused of market manipulation, I'm going to mute YouTube for this because I'm not going to get in trouble. Damn it.
My attorney's on it right now like a pit bull. He pretty much called it that I went to the doctors yesterday, but then they ran some more tests on me. But he's 99.9% sure.
Turn off, please.
Carbon monoxide poisoning.
Carbon monoxide.
How did you get the gas?
Are you serious,
How do you
dude?
get CO2 poisoning?
The regulator on my unit failed.
Off, please.
Oh. You didn't have an alarm?
Guys, there's a live mic. Please make sure to mute.
Did your alarm fail or what?
I had pulled my alarm 2 weeks prior because it was going to order a new.
Oh, damn.
Bro, I don't believe it, man. Can you imagine? What if you just didn't do that? Oh my goodness.
How about the misdiagnosis though? They wanted to cut my whole throat out because they thought I had cancer in it, and my partner stopped them and kept them from doing that. They literally were going to go in there and rip everything out of my throat because it had swelled shut and I couldn't breathe.
Hold on just a sec, buddy. This thing is breaking above the SMA 5. I am gonna manually stop out here, team. I'm gonna take the that was a 14% loss upon the 86% gain on the day. So this marks off the first red trade in days. Yeah, and honestly, I think it would have been okay even still, but I just don't want to risk any more. And also remember, dude, that I'm treating it as it was real cash because I'm trading the demo account. And I don't want to feel that pressure, but yeah, look at it right on the 7 right now is resisting. Yeah, Danielle, he is very lucky to be alive, but also he was smart by being the freaking world-class athlete that he is. You've seen picture of this guy. He's a monster.
Yeah, Arca would have died. He's a little wuss.
Yeah, dude, I would have been killed immediately.
Like your cat would have survived longer than you.
Dude, my cat would have taken. He would have been like, bro, I'm gonna borrow you some lives. Here, you want to borrow some? I'm like, yeah, borrow me some lives, man, because I definitely need one. So I'm like, I would tell him, bro, I need 4 of yours though, because I'm kind of I'm larger than you.
Right now, you'd be listening to me and OGG.
Yeah, I would just be out in the freaking ether out there listening to Cryptic actually running the Arca Bulls site. He's like, guys, I'm Arca. Remember? I told you I was.
Arca, you bitches.
guy's got a T level over 1200.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my goodness, man.
How can we not change Cryptic's name to something more aggressive?
Dude, like kittens. What would you do that was more aggressive? Because he has a pit bull. Oh, do you remember he is
he latches on like a fucking pit bull, man. He don't let go.
I used to be bulldog.
They're dead.
What?
Yeah, I used to be bulldog.
Yeah, you are bulldog in Twitter or X.
Yeah.
Sorry, geez.
Yeah, I'm bulldog in X.
So now you're gonna tell him, dude, a bulldog can also be a French.
I changed it to cryptic because I was hiding from Luna.
You were hiding from Luna?
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Freaking hoe was stalking me.
Dude, that was my biggest short. It was Luna. I turned $40 into $1,400 in 5 minutes. Oh, dude.
Yeah, this was the Discord profile, Luna.
Yeah, Discord profile Luna.
Oh.
Some trashy hoe that couldn't trade that sent her self nudes to every dude in the Discord.
No way.
Yeah, she had to make up her
I'm
losses.
serious, dude. I'm serious.
Dude, Options just said she had to make up for losses. Dude, what? That's terrible. Oh my god, bro. That's
She was trying to start an OnlyFans. So she sent everybody demos and we're like, don't start it.
what? These guys,
Yeah, her and Mama Cass were starting OnlyFans.
Dude,
like, ain't nobody gonna buy that shit.
Dude, she was like, I genuinely lost my ass on this trade. I'm gonna start selling my ass on this trade now. So oh my god, bro, that's terrible. Destiny, what the hell you doing with Meta?
I've seen a guy sell a kidney for to replenish his portfolio. Crazy.
Oh, dude. Destiny, are you long this or short this?
What you gotta do.
Meta.
Who? I'm sorry.
Oh,
Yeah, Destiny,
Arca.
are you long or short this?
I short this. I screwed myself up yesterday. I supposed to exit out my positions, and I thought I did, but then last night when I went and checked my portfolio and see how much I make on the money, and it looked like I double up the position instead of getting out, so it filled up my order instead of
All right, you're gonna have to hold on. You're gonna have to face a little bit of pain, okay? But I see a retracement coming in. This may continue to the upside to 377.06. Wait for that pump to the upside. It's gonna start retracing here, so we're gonna have to test. We're gonna have to test a couple, inflection points on the way down. But yeah, we have to wait for the double top to then reject, because that may have you may have a shot of coming back down to around 373.46 to 373.98. That would be a position for you to start aggressively scaling out.
Well,
So-
I'm up Tesla 2,000 yesterday, but I'm down there at 2,600, so I'm still losing.
Yeah,
my money.
she said she made
some up left.
She said she makes some. That's why I'm telling her she's gonna have to experience some more pain here because she's short.
380.
What's 380 for you?
We just broke the in reg. It's still got ATR left. 380 is my next target if I were trading it.
It's got the all-time high at 377.10, no? Or what's the all-time?
It's got to
high?
break this. It's got to break the 377.10. Yeah, but if it does, it's gonna go up.
Oh, sorry, it's not an all-time high. Yeah.
It's at 52.
So we have a 384.33 top. Oh, damn it.
Yeah, it could turn bad.
Yeah.
If
So
you're short, I would get out.
Oh, yeah.
You need to start removing risk. Like this is a gap up. You need to start removing risk like aggressively, right? But because you don't want to speed up your loss here. You're short on margin.
You're playing probabilities, and your probability is that's going to go up, not down. So it might go down, but you want to be safe.
Yeah. In fact, let me look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is pivoted towards the upside with expansion.
Yeah.
No. This is a minimum time frame, and that is suggesting a continuation to the upside here. I am looking at minimum 377.46 top. That would probably bring price down at, like I said, only up to around 374.58, and then this would continue to the upside here. And I'm looking at the linear regression resistance at 384.19, which, by the way, is equivalent to the 384.33 all-time high. This is likely to move to the all-time high. So I would start removing risk immediately on this. Start removing. Yeah. Because this is not
I'm
good.
down like 65% on my contract.
Flip it long.
Yeah.
I have 15 contract. I'm down 65% at this point.
Cannot go beyond 25%.
This is still holding the 9, so the next breakdown should be coming if it holds it.
I'm completely risk off on this. Because in 36 minutes, the thing may close above on the linear regression. So
I should get out now instead of...
Oh, yeah, I already took my target. 1050 was my profit target.
Yeah. I would realize the gains. I would realize the gains because you could always reposition.
Good. I'm back green today.
Nice. Hell yeah, dude.
Hey, Sensei, on options, do you do somewhere between 20 and 30% as your stop losses?
Yes. I keep it at maybe 25, 27% at 28% most at max.
Yeah, same here.
Because they're wide, it's the volatility width, it's just not like a share. So, and also my risk is a lot lower than I would in shares anyway.
On shares, for me, it's between 5 and 10%, depending on the asset.
Of course, that's perfect. It really is perfect. And it's kind of wide at 10%, I will say. But mine is between 3.5% to around 7%, depending on of course, the asset's existing supports and resistances and characteristics. But yeah, I'm around there too. Tighter stop losses for shares, wider stop losses for options. But options is a smaller risk, and shares are a greater risk with a tighter stop.
100% agreed. That's the perfect way to put it.
And Cryptic also has a similar system for his options risk parameter. Yeah,
so I should wait until it pulled out to.
I'm actually only on options. I'm only 20%.
What are you talking about, Destiny?
I'm talking about my meta. Should I wait until it pulled out to 374 and get out?
Yeah, you're gonna get a little bit of a pullback here in about a second. Right, so that may pull back 376 to 370. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there may be a bottom of around 375, 74. Yeah, here that retracement. This is where I would start getting out.
Right there.
That was the pullback. This. Like in this area here, like you want to try to get out of the position because this thing is it's set to potentially break that high here and then continue on to the upside. There's no better opportunity to get out. It usually happens like that. It won't break the high on the first try. It'll retrace. Right? So there's no better opportunity than now.
Okay.
Did you?
She doesn't sound so convinced.
Are you out?
Well, I haven't off yet because
if you don't pull that, this may continue beyond 376 into 384. So you're looking at another $9 jump from here. This is the only chance that I'm giving that I see this giving us. The only chance. This is a retracement to validate the break of the moving averages. This would be the first clean close in 2 minutes. This is incredibly important what I'm telling you.
So I should get the completely 100%.
By the way, this is a good long trade opportunity.
Yes, because this can flip bullish. and you reposition. Damn.
Here it comes.
The break of 376 is going to introduce longs. This is getting unsafe.
You still got a chance to get out.
Okay.
If it breaks, it's gonna go up. At least $1.
Coin Fox,
My
what
game would have sold those puts, and at the same time bought calls.
Yeah, did strangle it. Like, I mean, me too. I would have already strangled this too.
Yeah. Here comes the break.
Because this is a good closer validation for the moving averages, right? 1 minute and 17 seconds left. This is getting to the point where it's gonna break bullish, man. I'm literally gonna load calls on this.
That's why people shouldn't trade options before they're ready, because they don't know how to get out of trouble.
Yeah,
100%.
Like OGG just said, you could strangle this right now. You could take some off. There's a lot of things you could do, but if you don't know how, you're screwed.
Yeah, dude, completely agreed. These are very dangerous instruments to trade on such high volatility assets. This thing has a what, like $8 to $9 average true range. It's kind of it's getting up there.
We break, and there is coming.
All right.
I hope she's out.
I hope so too, man.
Well, I'm out one of my positions in Fidelity. In TD, so I have to go to Fidelity because I have another 10 contract over there.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
I have like 20 contracts. So I lost $1,065 on this, and then same thing to the other one on Fidelity.
Yeah, Destiny, you should probably get off of the mic right now and get into your position. Do not worry about speaking. Get back into your position and do what you have to do, because this is going to kill you. Hurry. Dude, I feel like this thing is waiting to burst open. Oh my goodness, the longs want it, dude.
Tesla's gonna stop. It's gonna take out this level so I can stop.
It's about to break it. Let's go. That's it. This is gonna start running. Careful on this, right? The breakouts and the pullback would be a real thing too. So this was that implied move that we were kind of looking for, right? Where the hell is my freaking 4 hour or my hourly? My goodness. Position is sitting just at 2% up, fluctuating 3%. This could be a quick
377, quick little scalp maybe.
Dude. Yeah, I'm seeing 366, 376.93.
What the hell is throw on me?
Position is up at 5.41%, up to 4%, 5.5%. Damn it. Make up your damn mind. Let's do it.
Come on. 377 little scalp, and then you could leave runners to see if it gets to 380.
I'm at 9% up.
Danielle's like 80% down if she's still in it. I'm not Danielle. The other girl, Destiny.
Destiny, yeah. I'm at 12% up now, team. 376.66. I am sitting at 13.51% up.
Still going.
Waiting for the hourly
Okay.
linear regression top. It feels like it could reach it. My position is still up 9%. The bulls are losing a little bit of steam here, but the volume is increasing though. Sitting at 6% up.
It should still hit 377 at least. Come on.
Yeah, right. It's just picking up bulls.
So I'm all out now.
I mean, breakouts always retrace.
Good deal, Destiny. Here you go. 7% up. Still sitting at 6% up. 7%. This is really close to the take profit. It's just barely a few cents away. 8% up. 9% up. Oh, dude. I'm going to pull profits right here. I'm getting 5-minute contraction. That was an 8% gain. That was what was it? Five total trades, 4 green, 1 red. Nice.
Might get like a little up right now.
Okay, I'm all out the positions.
Good deal, Destiny. That's good. Perfect.
Well, I give them all my free Tesla money back.
It's just sometimes when we we have to be.
I make gain on Tesla and I donate to Meta. It's my screw up yesterday.
Yeah, we have to be very strict about validations and confirmations. It just, you're gonna get some and you lose some. So just in case the YouTube team is curious, no, 93. I am out. Yes, I was long, but now I am out with an 8% gain on it. And YouTube, you can just see on my, I can show you on this screen. So YouTube, go ahead and take a look at this, right? This was my entry here. This is my exit up here. And this thing is starting to wick below. And I'm not sure how I feel about it.
I was still looking for 377.
Yeah, 377 is its top. I don't like look at expansion is actually maybe restarting here.
Yeah.
And then in 24 minutes, we need the closure above the linear regression band to consider reposition. So, 376.63.
Yep. I'll take it right here. I don't like it either.
Yeah, guys, I would consider closing out position at this point. I'm feeling nervous. Contraction is still there. You don't want to be long any options contracts when you're facing a contraction phase on a 5-minute time frame. And it may even hit the 377, but 377 with negative Vega, it doesn't make sense. It would be better with shares.
Yeah, with shares, you could hold this.
Yeah. And honestly,
I went in options on it just to mess around.
Mm-hmm.
Because, it was one of those little whims.
The 10-year and 2-year yields that means that the SPY. What? That's really curious because there's strength in the market right now. But I mean, generally, it's a better outlook when you're looking at this in the weekly, though. 376, man, it's like really capping out right there, dude. So there is a slight bearish divergence on the hourly volume. I will say that 23 minutes left, and the volume bar sitting beneath 50%, the previous bar, that's bearish to me. This may actually stop, and this may come back to validate the current high at 376.19. But something tells me that Meta is not done for the day. Wow, look at this. 376.72. Oh my goodness, this consolidation could kill an options contract. $93, you just cut your daily losses in half, my dude. Thank goodness.
It's also the time of hour.
Yeah, we're
That's why
incredibly
it's slowing
close.
down.
Yeah, that's right. Contraction is about to start, right? We're at almost lunchtime NYSE. We can't do that.
Well, here's your target coming. Nice little buck scalp.
Yeah, I'm at 376.95 is my resistance on this thing. So 376.78.
Comes. Once we cross that, it'll retrace. Then we got a shot for 380.
Yep. That would be the reposition.
Mm-hmm. Reposition, man.
Reposition.
What are they saying? We're making some money.
Hey, making some money.
Did Destiny get out?
Destiny, she's out.
She's out. Orale, at least she's not Luna.
Dude.
Destiny's not gonna have to send nudes to everybody.
Dude, Destiny,
like Luna.
she's not gonna have to sell her body to nobody. Destiny
she's not gonna have to like OnlyFans and nobody only options based for it.
Destiny, I think she's at either slightly green or break even now because of the Tesla gains given back here to Meta.
Don't worry about red days. No big deal.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get them. That's just the nature of the beast.
I get 2 red days a week.
Yeah, and get a good trading plan and have a good risk to reward ratio is what's really going to help you guys out in the end.
CoinFox, can you explain that to me? Sellers jumping in front of the 377. Are you looking at a potential front run as a downside? That would be normal because you're at a linear regression resistance.
That's normal, 100%. That's why you always take your targets like 2 cents below. Or 30 cents below.
Yeah, and options. Yeah, I completely agree. And Buzz, I agree with you too, man. It's a kind of a high tuition here, man. And CoinFox, the fact that you saw it as nothing big is literally that. It's just because it's only their scalps, their momentum trades, likely short-term, low-risk trades, right? So enough pressure to the downside with enough pressure of sell pressure. Right, so sell plus short it in a not so big manner. You know, that's your bull flag. The retracement candles into the pump. 375.20. That feels a little aggressive, but definitely, man, it's possible. I see it there. 375.20. Honestly, if it was 375.20, you have that 374.96.
Options. What the hell are you talking about? Not my fault. You're the only one that went into Luna's OnlyFans.
No, I've never done that, man. I'm married happily, man. I don't have to do that,
dude. What Luna as in a person or Luna as in the ticker Luna?
Yeah, this was a person.
Oh,
yeah. Okay. A female of dubious distinction.
Oh my goodness!
I'll give you the story of Luna later.
Okay.
Cryptic spent all his money on her, and it was unfortunate. She took him for a ride.
He's like, I couldn't help it, bro. It's all good, though. You know, we're alive. We know there was no disease.
You know, it's because I like ugly chicks. You know,
we keep it humble up in here. You know, it's good practice. It's good practice. All right. You know, but the guys.
Since my wife is hot, you know, the side chicks have to be ugly.
Everybody deserves a chance at love, right, Cryptic?
Yeah, that was in that crazy Discord. Yeah, it was good memories back then.
Hey, that Discord had a not safe for work section where people posted nudes. That's how messed up that Discord was.
No way, really?
I'm not kidding. No, I'm not kidding.
They added that after I got banned.
What? They had a nude section?
Yeah, Mama Cast added it.
So are you saying we can't post nudes here?
Hell no.
Oh, you can post nudes. Not only for Arca.
Cryptic was like, yeah, of course you can. I was like, no.
I'll make a private channel for you, OGG. for you and options so you guys can share your nudes.
Just when I thought I was finished on all my other private sites that I go to.
Dude. Hey guys, check this out. Well, because Galvin is asking me about Tesla. In 2 minutes and 30 seconds, this is preparing a retracement to test the bottom side of the hourly linear regression band for a potential short-term long. So I think it would be best to risk off the short side, right, or the downside bet in the coming minute or 2 minutes, right? So if you're at break even or at the money, if 17 minutes to close this hourly above the linear regression could send it to the upside. So yeah, I would wait for the 1 minute and 59 seconds to close beneath these moving averages, get that little bit of a pump to the 212.05, and then wait for a pullback. It could retrace at maybe 211.74 to about 211.53. So just eyeballs on that, right? And
At this point, we're going into lunch, so
yeah, that's we need to be risk off at lunch, man.
Yeah.
Uroy, the Uroy, it needs 362 break. Closing above 362 in 16 minutes would lead price action to the upside. But the thing is that we're reaching lunch. Don't trade lunch. Never, no matter how good the position. So you're also at the resistance of the SMA 50. This is getting really close to a potential reversal. But yeah, man, it's looking bullish. So, but the thing is that watch your upside at 367, 370, and 372. Those are critical resistances. The closure is coming in 40 seconds for Tesla beneath the moving averages. That would introduce a potential downside. But if it doesn't close beneath those moving averages, then this is likely a bull flag. Okay, so careful. You still have 26 seconds left to go. And dude, I have the gnarliest acid reflux from the green salsa last night because, somebody gave me a bunch of donations for a lot of tacos. The green salsa is killing me. Galvin, I have February 16th put. Should I get out? Oh, that's February 16th. You have so much risk. You have so much time. This is technically, can't even tell what that is, bro. Let me see. In 14 minutes, I feel like this thing is not gonna be able to come back down below the 210 mark. If you're at risk, yeah,
you should get a market crash with that Bidenomics thing.
What did he just say?
That Senior Pennington post. If Biden's speaking later, oh man, get rid of your puts.
Load up on the puts.
Load up on the puts.
Galvin, it's I think okay, I think that you're gonna get a top here somewhere to retrace back into these moving averages at 212.24. I don't feel so good about a continuation to the downside just yet. I think we could reposition better after lunch. So yeah, I would be very careful. But you do have a long time on this though, man. I would rather reposition at a top side of a price so we can just, continue. So heads up on that, right? Because this is that retracement that I spoke about right now. And remember, right, when trading, you gotta try your best. Right here, these are the moving averages, and this is the point where I would consider risk off. The thing is that sometimes you just don't know. What if it just retraces all the way to the downside? But the thing is that we're betting that this is not going to go to the downside because the 3 moving averages are support right now. So, and then also the bias coming in from the linear regression support. The biggest bet here would be that price action would retrace to 210.50 if it closes up here somewhere, but that's a gamble then. Okay, because this is a tangible support right now. And I can tell you that if we We still have 12 minutes left to close this candle, which means that there's technically support to be found. So it may retrace back to that 210.50, but again, I'm telling you that that would be a complete gamble. The buy daily on Tesla still looks so good for me to for one more pull. Yeah, I see it there. It's just to reposition the positions here, man. Because sometimes it's just if you're like positioned down here and you're already experiencing a minus 20%, 25% decline, like it's time to reposition. Because what if it reverses at that point? You gotta keep a consistent smaller loss than you do, and then maintain your larger wins. Yeah, I really gotta go get a tum. Hold on just a sec, team. I hate it. Wow. I just remembered a question that somebody had asked me earlier. Zenon, are you still here, buddy? I think he's gone now. Ah, dude. And I don't think I don't think I answered it. Ah, okay. And then I also don't see Teaser back in the chat anymore. Okay. I just wanted to dude, wow. Damn, Tesla is showing some pressure. Some pressure. Oh, damn, it came down to 211.39. Is retracing again. Arca, I got acid reflux after my first time I got COVID. It sucked. I finally went for acupuncture. They gave me pills called GastroQuell. It takes a day or two, but helps with acid reflux. GastroQuell? Hell yeah. I have some Equate ones, dude, that like work in they take like around like 30 minutes, but they're like 12-hour pills. But I'm really sensitive to that, bro, because I busted myself, dude. I busted myself when I was young eating hot Cheetos all the time, dude. What the heck? Dude. Double X just sent me an impressive picture for you, Cryptic. He said to show you his girl. Man. Dude. Are you talking to your mentor?
What's up?
Dude, he asked me to send you a picture.
Who?
Double X. From YouTube.
Oh.
You know who that is?
No.
What?
I have no idea. I don't know who that loser is.
Dude, oh my goodness. He's man. Double X, are you in there? Let me take a look at that. Dude, CoinFox, that's a cool name, bro.
God, I love you, Dick.
Oh yeah. This is what CoinFox just said. Hourly gap 161.27 to about 160.37. 37. Yeah. So that your bounce zone here would be 160.78 to 161.33. And it would be a very temporary bounce because this is a complete bear play. That would be your SMA 20 on the hourly. Options, sorry, will not be here tomorrow, Arca. We'll be on the flight. You're leaving now, buddy? Dude, please be safe out there. Take care and send me the details to the friend and I will make sure to take care of him. Thank you, buddy. Be safe, be well, and have a safe flight. Now in the YouTube listeners, do I have Rocky Mountain Gobblers in there? Let me know if you're in,
Rocky
buddy.
Mountain Gobblers.
You know who that is?
No.
Oh, I was wondering if it was Green Mountain, but I don't think it's Green Mountain. OGG OnlyFans, dude. Oh, dude, that is so funny. We have to give him yeah, I guess it would be permissions for hold on, let me see. No, don't do it to everyone. Or wait, yeah, I guess this would be for the premium members.
It's clean. Jeez, there's nothing there.
Dude, OGG, it's almost live for you, buddy. Let me get dude, I'm about to give you permission to that thing, man. Let's see. This where everyone will make this channel. Yeah, it is Isn't this channel supposed to be private?
Nah, it's clean.
Yeah? Okay.
It's not gonna be a dirty channel, you pervs.
No, man. The premium members, like outside of
Oh, the
public.
premium. Oh.
Yeah.
God.
Dude, I'm over here like, what the hell are you talking about? And then I understood later, oh shit. Anyway, dude, OGG, check out the channel. Can you see it? The OGG OnlyFans.
I don't see it. What am I supposed to be looking at?
Outside and under the Humble Hustle and above the Arc Voice channel. In the Discord channels on the left.
I'm eating right now. It'll take me a while to figure that out. My brain's not firing on all.
Oh,
cylinders.
right, because you're not a Discord. You don't run on Discord a lot, dude. I'm about to put up my own pictures. I'm gonna put some pictures of the Nasdaqs up in here. If you know what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. There you go. I put up a little gift there, right? We're messing around right here, team. This is the OG. We made a custom page for Off Grid Gorilla.
OGG,
This is the OGG.
OGG has his own page.
This is the OGG OnlyFans page, right? We got the pumpers up in here. We got the nudes up in here. Oh, dude. All good in the hood. Straight messing around. Team, we are definitely at lunchtime now. NYSC.
Yeah. You gotta mess around right now or you lose your money.
Yeah, man. Right now is risk off cash, okay? Stay cash. Do not be that dude. Man, because the markets, I can't tell you how many times I've handed my ass, man, during a lunchtime trade. It's always a risky business in there, man. Risky things. So
my dumbass could figure out how to see what the hell y'all are looking at.
Oh yeah, I'll share with you. Take a look at the screen. I'm gonna change the window here so that you can see the Arca Bulls. Yeah. Okay, so you can see now where we are, right? On my screen. You're looking at the stream, right?
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah, I can see that.
over here on top of the voice channel, look at the OGG OnlyFans. And this is where people are already putting up the nudes. The nudes for the OnlyFans channel. OGG OnlyFans. Do you know where it is now, buddy? If you're on your phone, drag from your or look in the bottom menu where it says I think it was servers or something, or you can drag your finger from the left to the right and it'll pull up the channels.
I threw a pic of Lauren up there.
Yeah. I'm in it now.
Nice. You're in the OGG OnlyFans?
Yeah.
Nice. Apparently.
My ass isn't like that area.
Who's echoing? Echo.
I don't hear any echoing.
I hear a damn echo.
Check. You. Oh, yeah, I hear an echo too.
Yeah.
Oh, that might be because OGG has the mic on. Wait, did you want to set this whole thing to push to talk, or how did you want to, how do you even manage that?
Yeah, we need to set this to push to talk.
All right, let me see.
Except for like me and you.
Under permissions?
Yeah, need to push to talk.
Let me see. Voice messages, use application. Or
I think Buzz is on. I'm gonna mute him.
I haven't heard Buzz in a while though.
No, it's not Buzz.
You know what? I think it's under the voice channel settings.
Hello. Unless it's me.
If the speakers are loud in front of you, yeah, it'll echo.
No, I'm on a headset. It's not me.
Okay.
I was muted. Me.
You were muted, buddy?
Yeah, I mute in and mute out.
Oh.
Damn. A lot of echo.
Yo,
Echo, 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 echo.
Yo, I don't hear echo on my side.
Is it me?
Spy, dude. Bob is saying
It
that the
reminds
spy
me.
is huge dumping. Ooh, look at it. It's retracing back to the EMA 200.
I think it's correct.
Cryptic?
Just checking it with me. That was me. Stupid
Oh.
mic.
Yeah, I think I could honestly force everyone.
Yeah, well, if that's what you want to. I'll figure it out.
Yeah, like I could, like for example, this. Look, I could do. I think everyone at this point should be completely muted, except for maybe Cryptic. Is everyone muted?
It might be Destiny. Looks like her mic's open.
Hold on. Do that again. Try to talk, team. Was that just me? Say something, Novgrid.
I said it might be Destiny. It looks like her mic's open.
Oh. Yeah.
It's just you, dude.
It's just me?
Yeah. Oh.
Where is the...
It's just change the push to talk settings.
I can't find them. That's the thing. Maybe under audio settings, maybe push to talk. Oh no, that's me. I think everyone has to.
Everyone has to add it, yeah.
Yeah, because it looks like it would just be me if I changed it on my side. But can I? Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that for everyone.
That way, everybody has to push a key.
Yeah.
When they talk, everybody can talk. They just have to push a key, and then you just leave it on for me and you, or whoever else you want.
Okay, so the priority speaker allows members.
This is coming down
to be more. It is
lunch.
Yeah. The lunchtime weirdness happening.
Yeah.
This is gonna be Galvin saying, "Bro, I trusted you. You hated me." Galvin, again, buddy, I don't know that this is gonna happen. Fern 5, buddy, why aren't you in the Discord? So priority speaker means allows members to be more easily heard in this voice channel. When activated, the volume of others without the permission will be automatically lowered. Priority speaker is activated by using the push to talk priority keybind.
What happens is you turn on push to talk.
Oh,
and then you make like me and you priority speakers.
Yeah, I think I just found it, but I have to hold on. The little lady just shut up. Just a moment.
Capitulation.
I'm telling you, Destiny. It doesn't show muted.
Buzz, you still in here, buddy? Where's my bro Buzz Margin Call? Where you at, man? The AMD gap is filled per CoinFox. Oh, dude, ESK, what's up, buddy? Oh my goodness, dude. Dude, Buzz, you know that if anyone knows, if anyone is gonna know, you're gonna know. You know those tubers that or YouTubers that put up this like video like in hindsight saying, look at the gains that we did today, right? And then they show like they're in the play, and then it says like when he longs, or when this person longs something, it says like long or something like in a low voice, and be like sell when he sells. Like, what is that? Like, what does that? Have you heard that before? Sebastian, bro. Dude, I love how you show up for like 3 minutes and then you disappear forever. Sebastian, it's time that we gear you back up on the back up. Ian is saying, what screen settings are you running on TradingView when you split the screens to see different time views? I have no idea what I did to mine. It's good to see you, buddy. Dude, man, is that Tesla is always such a choppy, like, it's always like a huge zigzag here, man. So it really fakes people out, even me a lot of the times. But I honestly feel like Tesla is a better shares play. And, man, I can't believe that we reached the 209.51. I mean, the original target is 207.81 to 206.89, dude. I mean, the stats are still technically in play. So let me look at the buy daily. Dude, look at that. Look at the moving average now. That thing is sitting literally 2.5% away. 2.5% away.
Just like took it again with the breakout. Once it reclaimed the 9 to 11 to 209.
Shoot. Sorry, guys. The DJ was saying that I'm actually streaming the Discord. Let me get into the where is it? This one. Here we go. Sorry, you guys. Pendejo. Te digo. Dude, on Discord it's like I have to go into the share your screen, switch the screen, confirm the resolution, and press OK. Huh? and then on YouTube it's like one button to switch the damn screen. I'm gonna have to see if I can. I'm gonna have to see if I can.
I still see the 207.19 downtime.
Right.
But we got to break this low of 209.50.
The 209.51, of course.
To induce that. So we're getting there. It's like that's how Tesla trades. It will break low day, then reclaim the 9, break low day, reclaim the 9, and it just does it over and over.
Yep.
That's just Tesla how it trades. That's why it's not good for
options sometimes.
Well, long term, yeah, but not good to you.
Yeah.
I just figured out who Cryptic sounds like online. He sounds like Busy Brands.
Yeah, dude. Yes, he does. I said that last night.
Oh fuck! I don't sound like a freaking wetback.
No, you don't. You guys just sound like each other.
I get hilarious.
Bro, no, he doesn't sound like that. You guys just sound.
Yeah, he does.
You guys sound like brothers or something, man. Everybody always says that I sound just like my brother on the phone or like my dad.
Dude, if I didn't know it was Cryptic, I would have swore it was freaking Busy.
That is
when
insane.
did I ever say MLTLP? Dude, yesterday Busy was like, oh my god, just stop. So I just left.
Yeah, Busy was explaining his whole the whole movement that he's doing for retail. And dude, for day traders and stuff like that, it's kind of teeth grinding, right? Because we're not in that life. But I have to be kind because the dude has brought like hundreds and hundreds of followers to the Arca Bulls, right? So I have to be humble and kind to him, and he's also a friend.
That's why it was nice. I didn't tell him anything. I was typing shit, but I didn't say nothing.
Oh yeah,
This
no,
is
dude.
a dude.
He's a well composed guy, and dude, he actually lives in I think he lives in San Pedro or Long Beach, I think. So he's what, like probably 45 minutes to an hour from me.
It's crazy how Tesla's moving during lunch. It's like moving normally.
I don't know where he is actually. That Long Beach? No, I don't know where he is.
Yeah,
It's about an hour and a
MMTLP,
half.
like, I'm
though.
sorry, you guys are screwed.
Dude,
I'm
that's
just being honest.
it's an issue. I mean, dude, we asked that question last night, you know, and he was like, dude, it's just, yeah, of course, Apollo.
Yeah.
You know, it's hard to
Hopefully
say.
in 10 years you'll get some sort of like kickback, but you ain't gonna get nothing.
And yeah, so
You actually sound nice compared to Trader Zero when he talks about MMTLP.
oh, dude, yeah, Trader Zero, he's a cut.
I don't hate the people that are in it. I just think I feel bad that people got trapped in it. But honestly, if you're a trader, you shouldn't have been in it at that point. You should have been out of it way before you got trapped.
Remember those words though. He said a traitor. So like
a traitor, yeah.
as a traitor, yeah, that's not the asset to be in.
Yeah, TZ is 100% brutally honest with them, and they just can't handle it.
And I mean, honestly, dude, what TZ is seeing, Cryptic Trader probably
TZ's a dick.
Probably sees that as well. You know, y'all know I was just busting busy. Beans, he'll know that. Yeah, dude. Of course, he's not a busy. He tells me that he'll try to defend himself here and there, but he generally keeps a pretty let's just say that I lash back way more than he does. You guys know me, man. Yeah, you think so, ESK? I think so. I think so too. I'm just. Oh, so CoinFox is saying that Tradeovate has that order filled voice. No way. Buzz, you ever heard of that? You ever heard of that? My stream. Oh, hey, Arca, my stream looking crispy today in the Discord. Dude, that's awesome. I wonder if it was just yeah, man, I honestly don't know. It could just be connectivity issues. I'm still running the same 1080p, 30 frames per second. When I first started doing this, I was like, dude, I can do 1440 at 60 frames. Let's go. But then, you know, if I don't have the available bandwidth, then it's just not gonna pull it off for us. So, yeah, no, you know, as far as traders, man.
Like the people that don't know me, my family owns a submarine. So, with that, I'll tell you everything.
Wall Street Ponzi's about to jump in. I know him. He's about to be like, wait a second.
Hey,
buddy.
Cryptic, he had woken me up before my Cowboys had to play, so I had to watch that bullshit laying in the hospital bed.
Dude, you weren't around. I was gonna send you that same meme. It works perfectly every year.
Don't worry, buddy. You were on my mind the whole time I was watching that miserable shit show.
Dude, Wall Street. My son, he just learned how to say yellow, right? And he's like, yayo, and I'm like, no. And he's like, yayo, and I'm like, no. He's like, and then he looks at me weird, and I'm like, yellow. Then I show him the yellow color, and he goes, yayo, and I'm like, oh.
So you know I don't take it mic very often, bro, but that had me laughing.
when Cryptic said it, or what?
No, about your son, bro.
Oh, dude, he's like, yayo, and I'm like, no.
Yayo, no, that's bad stuff. Yayo,
dude,
bad stuff. Yayo, no, don't let him. No, that's not good, bro.
I'm trying to stop him. I'm trying to stop him. Yeah, dude.
I could give your son Theo's number. You want some yayo?
Just
Hey,
teach him how to say hello to my little friend, and then yayo.
He's in the chat right now. Look at him.
CC me on that.
Northwest, what is good,
yayo,
bro? Dude, so here's the breakdown for you, Northwest. It is official. We're gonna stream on your request, bro. We're gonna stream the week 3.
Oh yes, man, I love it. I love hearing that. You guys just made my day.
Dude, it's just man, that was a cool request, man. You know, and the team, I forgot who said it. He was like, "No sweat off my balls." Like I was like, okay, so this is really just they're cool about it. So, I don't want to like make you feel like I'm excluding you. I just also need to make sure that I can, I don't want to just act upon anything like that, dude. I feel if I hold the students to a high regard, then they're gonna respect the request anyway. I actually haven't looked at I haven't looked at any further responses. Sorry, buddy, go ahead.
And the best part, we're all Arcable family here.
Arca Bulls, man. And yeah, actually, I just got another reply saying, yeah, it's cool. Yeah, man. So I think yeah, we'll just go ahead and stream that on Monday, 6:30 p.m. Pacific. It'll be the I think it's Formations Week. So yeah, that there's gonna be psychology within that. So I tend to merge some of the weeks with several other topics. But yeah, man. Yeah, just remember, if you didn't hear what I said, just remember the master students. They starting from week 2, will continue stacking the strategy, or continue stacking the knowledge back to back. Right, it'll cascade into the next one. So you're gonna learn candles and then formations. Then you're gonna come back to week number 2 on week number 3 and be like, okay, so this is how week number 3 ties into week 2. Then on week number 4, I think it's going to be moving averages, right? And then moving averages into indicators. So then you're going to see that indicators applies to moving averages, which is that can invalidate or support formations. And the way that we can see resistances or supports are with candlesticks on the wicks, so yeah, everything's going to cascade like that, one by one week at a time. And I felt that was a pretty good kind of strategy to teach, the master students little by little, so they understand exactly what how many components are going on, how many moving gears are going on at the same time. It's not just a one shot thing. There's a lot of crap in there. Need support setting up and can't wait to understand the process. Oh, who was asking me about the screen setup? That's somebody was asking about that. So in my personal opinion, guys, just real quick, right? Head over to your settings area, and when you are under, let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and put you under canvas. Right, so your settings are on the top right. Go under canvas here, and you can then select what type of gradients you want, right? You got to just select that you want gradient. So you can do it kind of like I do or whatever. So this can be literally any color you want, and then select the other color, right? And you can literally have it any funky thing you ever thought of in your life. Right, so I personally just like to keep it simple, right? I just keep it a barely any gradients on that. I keep the texts large at 20 so that you can see it in the stream. Otherwise, I'd leave it at a very small thing. Now you're gonna see grid lines on your these grid lines, right? The ones outlining the numbers. You don't have to have those if you don't want. I generally leave them off, right? So. That's something to look into. Under symbol, the way I color my candles are actually neon colors, so I added my own color. So you can do that by adding the plus under symbol, right? You click on the color here, so I added my own color by going into like an area where it feels neon, because I feel like the green candles never really pop out enough. So I created a really bright green and a really bright red. Next thing that you want to make sure to do, also remember that it is right now 9:31 Pacific time, so you can refer back to this time in the video and rewatch what I'm showing you here, right? So from there, make sure to, well, I personally like to have extended hours displaying because I want to see what happened after hours and in pre-market. And you can display the after hours trading and pre-market trading by this pre and post market hours background. you can brighten that, right? So I generally like to have it really as dim as I could, just to barely distinguish that it is there, because that gets in the way for me, right? Personally, right? So this is how you can do that. I want to know what price action did during the post hours, what price action did during the pre-market, so that I can keep those targets in mind for the next day of trading. Okay, so that's another important thing you want to keep under consideration. Let's see. Another thing that you want to do is under scales, make sure that you have the countdown to bar close so that you know how many minutes you have to close of whatever time frame you are in. In this case, this is the 5-minute time frame, which then actually leads on to the what is it called? The oh my goodness, the symbol or I'll tell you the watermark. This. So that's under canvas. Make sure to go to the watermark, and then you can set its transparency and all that good stuff, right? And that often tells you what time frame you're in. So you can select your ticker by typing it in. Just start typing in letters, right, in here. So NVDA, that'll pull up your next potential, right? So you'll look at the NASDAQ ticker NVDA. And another secret that a lot of people don't really know is that you can type in the time frames too. So if you want a 10-minute chart, you choose 10. And then you go on that, right? You choose 5 for a 1 minute, for a 5-minute, right? You choose 1 for a 1 minute. When you get into the hourly, you get 1H. You get a 4H, right? When you get into the dailies, you get it, 1D. 1 week, 1W. So not a lot of people do that. You could just type in your time frames. You don't have to have these things up here. Okay, so I know that I'm kind of breezing by this fast, but remember that you can always come back to this. Last thing I can give you is this. This is my favorites pane, right? So my favorites pane of tools, which are located up here. So I personally like the Fibonacci retracement, which is located in here. You click on the little tiny arrow, then Fibonacci retracement will appear. Hit the little star on that, right? Then you're going to see the star down here in the bottom left. That is going to show you your favorites pane. And, I have several favorites in different areas. Head and shoulders formation, ABCD pattern formation is favorited. In the following section, I have a long position and short position, right? So that you can actually determine where you're going to long something, and it'll give you the price forecast, or it'll tell you what your risk to reward ratio is based on whatever here. Right? So that's located in this area right here, long and short. The bars pattern, you don't have to worry about that. Price range, you don't have to worry about that. I would highly recommend doing the date and price range down here in the fourth, from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. Select on date and price range, because this is how I measure things. Right? And that gives you the percentage, that gives you the bars change, and the date of length, or the length of duration. Following that, I like the brush, right? So I favorite that as well. The brush actually just allows you to draw things manually. So I would think that's a pretty good one to use. The arrow maker, I definitely use that a lot because I like to use an arrow to point at things. Rectangle is what I use to kind of point out chop areas. And know that you can also double click on whatever you're looking at and further adjust them. Like, for example, here, like the center line is kind of bothering me. I feel like I need to dim that down or simmer that down a little bit, right? Something like that. And then you can also change your border, your background colors, right? You can change your the border color as well. You can do like freaking whatever you want, really. Right? So I'd really like to keep things as simple as possible. And you can also dim your box, right? Like that. So I'm taking advantage of the fact that we're like during lunch to just give this to my buddy. Let's see. Text. This is for you to click on there, and then you'll write whatever notes, and then you just press OK, and it creates a text box for you. It's self-explanatory. From there, I can use callouts as well. So saying something like this, and then I can start typing based on whatever I'm pointing at. Right. So that's something that I keep in my tools. In my tools. Comment is another one of those like that. Price label is something that you can use like this, and it'll tell you what prices those are. Right. So you want to look at pivotal points, then you can point them out like that. That's something that I use a lot too. And then price note. I do like price note a lot, and I use that often. Right. So I'll do things like this. I use this a lot. And it's, I think from there, not the signpost, and I add images because I have other charts and stuff that I put together, right? But from there, I think that's about it on the first one or the second one, right? Favorite trend line, because trend line is how I often draw like let me see. Let me bring that down and click on trend line again. I draw lines like this, right, or whatever. And then let's see. Vertical line. That's my back test. These. And from there, let's see. Parallel channel is one that I completely use very, very often. And that's when you're pointing out an area of a stock that looks like this, right? So when you have a price ranging like up and down. So to kind of draw that quickly, it would be, let's see. One more very important thing. Look down here in the bottom right. Make sure to select logarithmic, okay? You keep a log chart on this because that's typically what technicians use. They feel that it's a tighter price scale. So using this channel thing, you could do something like this, right? And then you can determine where a channel is. So Galvin, remember that you can always refer back to the time, right? So that was pretty much 9:30 to 9:40 a.m. Pacific. And it's recorded here on YouTube, right? So you'll always be able to refer back to this and kind of check that out. For candles, I would personally like to leave just your traditional candles. You have step line, you have area, you have a Heikinashi. You have the old school what was called the oh my goodness, point and figure, right? The old school way of like in the 80s to measure things like the X's and zeros and stuff. My goodness, man. Like this is the way that it was looked at in the earlier days, point and figure. But yeah, I would honestly just keep things at traditional candles.
Hey, Sensei, can you look at MGRX? I got some news on that.
No way.
Yeah, it's at 30 cents or something like that, but there's some big stuff happening with the Super Bowl with it.
Oh. Okay, MGRX, 20 minutes and 56 seconds, potentially finding support right at about 30.65. If that candle closes there, then that's good news. It'll probably start retracing to the upside. There is a little bit of danger here because the resistance of the linear regression hourly time frame is your EMA 200 and SMA 50. So, price is going to have to start reacquiring the upside of the EMA 200 and SMA 50 because it just started to break down from it and it just started to validate it for a short. So this is critical. The next moves here for MGRX are critical. If it breaks down, it would be likely because the hourly closed beneath 30.65. Galvin, and then if we need further, then get in touch with me. But the way that you're seeing these split screens is because you can click right up here. And then I have the premium account, so I have a lot more option, right? But yeah, you can select whichever way you want to observe your screens. And another tip, you can have a complete you can select what you want synced, right? So me personally, I want the symbol, which is the ticker symbol, and I want the cursor, the cursor, right, for my mouse. But I don't want the time because I want this in hourly and this on a 5-minute. So I don't have time. And I don't want the date range because if I start to zoom in on this one will start to zoom in too. So I don't want that either. I have a different zoom parameter for the hourly than I do the 5-minute. And then the date range as well. You don't want to, it'll start manipulating the other side. So I want to leave those apart from each other. So you can get creative with the way you want to see this. Because one way that I kind of had here was like, let me see. I think I had it somewhere in, this. These are 4 split screens and the time interval is locked, right? So it would be, look at this, interval, cursor, the crosshair or whatever. The time and date range minus the symbol because I want different symbols for the 4 different ones. But I want them to be in the same date range and I want them to be in the same time frame because I'm doing a comparison of 4 different assets. Ian, I just answered your question. I remember you were having, I noticed that you said that you don't even know what you did. Is the premium account in TradingView worth it? Darth, for me, it is because I'm doing these analysis threads live and having the ability to have unlimited chart saves really helps out. When you're, and then also, I think I could put more indicators in than you can. I think I could put up to 30 or more or unlimited. But I think the Pro Plus account allows up to 10 indicators, but then how many indicators do you really need up at once, right? Honestly, sometimes it's just best to have around 3 or 4 at the max, right? And then some that you don't need, sometimes even just one, volume being one of them right down here, which by the way, Galvin, volume up here will always show up there, by default. So I don't know if you can see it here. It's like very light. You can change that in the settings. All these are your indicators, right? So change that in the settings by clicking the gear icon, and then you can select the brightness of it for the red and for the green. Oh my goodness. There we go. Is the middle one the Pro Plus account? I think the Pro Plus is the middle one before it gets to premium, then ultimate, and I don't know, ultimate whatever. They just added those too. So and then other than that, you get more options as far as how many of the panes you get to open at once. And I've utilized this like crazy, man. I've utilized this like crazy. There's so many different styles and so many ways of putting your threads together.
Just an FYI, I have the Pro Plus and it's plenty for me.
Right? Yeah. And if you notice, if you haven't noticed, then I'll point it out right now for what I'm using. This one layout here is, you guys have seen me open it up day in and day out. It's called Day Trade EW TUP, right? So when I have that, I title it, right? This one setup, it gives me all the indicators that I want in one shot, the time frame that I want with the separate indicators, and then this one save I use for literally every other asset, and it saves your drawings too, right? So you can see that the more every ticker that I switch within this one save, you see all my drawings and all my edits already there.
With the Pro Plus, I can have up to 10 different
chart saves
companies laid out at once. I can only have a max of 3 indicators going, which is perfect for me because I don't like using more than that, and I can switch them out as I'm trading it as well.
Exactly. You got it, Galvin. I mean, dude, the thing is that you really could see sometimes, like I have I can give you a quick example here. I can add, so your indicators tab is up here. Click on indicators, type in whatever you want. You can type in Bollinger Bands, and then you'll get every community indicator that's available. There's so many, right? Moving averages is in there. Different types of RSIs are in here. Lots of crap, right? So, and they're all available to you. What, like for example, on the members here, right? You see that I provided the script for ABT averages, which is the moving averages that I use all the time. So remember to watch that video in the ABT scripts under ARC indicators, right? So check the ABT scripts out. You'll be able to see this moving average in there, the moving average indicator. That I'm allowing you to just copy the code and implementing it here under Pine Editor. So you click on Pine Editor, and then you just click open new indicator, and then just copy paste, right? So you copy what I provided for you as an Arca Bulls member, then you paste it in here, then you you can save it, title it, and then add it to the chart, and then it'll show up right over here. And then because you hit, you're gonna see a little star that pops up in here, just like the stars that you see right here. You're gonna be able to see that little star right over here when you save it. That will lead your indicators to show up right over here as the favorites, and you'll be able to always recall it. So what I was going to show as an example is that sometimes I have several iterations of one indicator. So I will have another and another and another. And the reason why I want to do that is because on one, I'll just want to see my SMA 50 and the 200, and then everything else would just be dismantled. So I won't have EMAs on, I won't have the custom SMAs on or nothing. I would just literally have just my SMA 100 and 200 displayed. On the next one, I will only want for example, my EMA 7 and 9 or something, right? So I'll display the EMAs. I'll get rid of all the SMAs, and then just display the EMA 7 and the 9, and disable all of the other EMAs, right? And whatever other indicator isn't on. But right here, I just have the master to show those two, and in the next one, so on, right? You just choose whatever you want, because then you have the silver cross too that you can consider. You can change that in a custom EMA length. This is all available for you, brother. I built this for you guys. So you can do the EMA 55, EMA 21, display the custom EMA here, and just take everything else out. And then now you have your silver cross. You now have your silver cross strategy right there. So then you'll be able to just look at individual ones whenever you want. So you'll enable this. You see your 200 and the SMA 50. Right, you'll enable this one, you'll see your whatever else, you'll enable this one, you see whatever else, and yeah, sometimes I have several iterations of the same indicator to give me different information for me. Bro, CoinFox, you made it, bro.
Arca, before we move on to the next topic, I had a quick question.
Yeah.
So I added this to the trader platform, right? But my only question is, do you have like a manual, or did you do a YouTube on this, on what like everything means, like the dots, and how to read the actual like how to read everything that I see here, like as far as like the red dots, the green dots.
Oh yeah. So
diamonds
when you
and
go,
everything.
have you followed me on let me show you. So let me just go into any random chart, and let me go to my profile, and then right over here under scripts, when you follow me, the description is there. So when you're looking at ARC averages, let's go to averages. It's right here. So averages will be able to tell you. So, yeah, everything is here. So the script defines all of the moving averages I use in a tool set, displayed automatically with the SMA 5, SMA 10, SMA 20, SMA 50, 100, and 200. There are built-in locators for three very popular moving average strategies called the golden crossover, silver crossover, and the triple moving average crossover strategy, where if the SMA 5 crosses above the SMA 10 and the 20, a green or red circle will appear respectively. The golden cross is signaled when the SMA 50 crosses above the SMA 200. The symbol plotted is a yellow diamond for that golden cross. The silver cross occurs when the EMA 21 crosses above the EMA 55. When this occurs, the symbol appears as a silver diamond. So yeah, I display that in the indicator's description.
Got it. But do you have like something more like in examples, like for instance, like how do you actually use it during a trade? Like, okay, there's a bunch of green dots and they're all close together or they're spreading apart.
Oh,
that
you mean like
this.
like a test of it?
Yes.
So this is in a moving averages instance. These are just crossovers. They're not really made for strategic trading. It's made more to let you know that something is happening, and it's something that's happening that's sort of bullish or sort of bearish. You don't trade the crossover of the strategy. You trade the crossover of price below the moving average or above it in closing periods.
Got it.
So,
Okay.
yeah, but this is letting you know that there's a shift to the bull side or to the bear side.
Got it.
But yeah, I know what you mean though. Maybe I could create a video to explain how light that is, right?
Yeah,
how that can be.
like
You're not the first to ask me either, so I think I should get on that.
See, so far I got 2 good questions. We completed one of them. Let's see if we get this one next.
Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, I'll try to put out some, and I'm not gonna only do it for averages. I know that I can do it for a few others too.
Oh, just do it for me.
Not sure if he's meaning a glossary, which is kind of what I was thinking.
Oh,
that too. Yeah, that as well too, and with some examples and how to read it. Like, I remember one time you were talking about like when the dots start spreading apart, that indicates something, or you know what I'm talking about? Like
that's the ARQ indicators. Those are in partnership with the dudes from Cryptex. That's that would be volatility reads.
Okay.
That's the enhanced MACD. That was where is it? Let's see. This one here.
Sensei, I'm out. I'm going to a doctor's appointment. I just wanted to say have a great rest of your day, brother.
All right, buddy. Take care, man. We'll talk soon. Please be safe, and I hope you get some good news. So that would be when you start to see like contraction, the dots get closer together, signaling that there is not that much price movement. But remember that these are subscription based. So the ones that I'm providing for the Arca Bulls team are proprietary, and ones that I can have you just benefit while being here with me. Actually, even if you stop paying, you'll forever have them.
Yeah. So back to the ones that we actually do have. Is there anything you could do more in depth? Maybe like a video on YouTube or something, or through the Discord, where we could actually just give us an example how you do it, how you read it, just to get a little refresher. I'm more visual.
I think I would have to do the individual video because not everybody would be available in one shot. So I think you're right. I think I'm going to put together the next video as the linear regression and explain how this is used on a day-to-day basis. Brother, thank you so much.
5-minute quick video.
Yeah,
no worries.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the team would completely benefit off that. And I actually do have a couple more indicators that I'm going to be releasing soon. So good news for the team, all in all. So yeah, guys, YouTube, you're listening to that. I actually do provide proprietary indicators or strategy codes that I personally write, and I put them up here for the team to have, right? So, and then you could further manipulate it if you like. And I also show you how to implement that code into the TradingView platform so that you can see it just the way you're seeing here, this being one of them. But yeah, Northwest, thank you so much, brother, for asking that. I will definitely put that together for the team. And so one more time, YouTube, I'm going to have to cut out here pretty soon. But I'm going to go ahead and extend another invite to you because this is coming to an end. I'm going to finish off the week here and then trade with the Arca Bulls members completely in private away from YouTube starting, I think, on Monday. Okay, so I'm gonna extend another invite to you so that you can consider joining the Arca Bulls trading team. Besides, you're getting a more direct connection to me here in Discord than you are in YouTube anyway, and we'll be able to trade a little more freely. You know what I mean? But 205 is the target in my opinion on Tesla. Yeah, dude. I think on Tesla, just to kind of touch back into that, this was my. I think you're close. I think you're close even to my range. I have a 206.89 to 207.81. One quick tip that I can give you is to make sure that you are keeping an eye on your daily time frame average true range. So you can actually see that on a 14-day close daily chart, you have an average true range of $8.28. So identify your open, right? So this is going to be your opening candle here for the day, 216.88. We're currently sitting at 209. So that's you know what I mean? So that's already what, like $7 on average true range. So if you go to another $1.50, you'll be at around 207, 206. So that's how we're able to identify the macro bottoms, macro. I'm sorry, the range high, range low, typically, and statistically, day in and day out. Not a lot of people know that, by the way. My thoughts on coin. I'm bullish coin because I'm bullish BTC. While we have a correction for now, I do think that we're within the range that I spoke of a while back. This would be the critical entries, right? So I was looking at a 128.86 to 122.20, and in the retracement to 114.66 to 111.96 as the potential areas to long for investment strategy. So in this case, this would be the massive pullback here that you would get before continuing to a potential upside. And remember that on the 5-minute time frame, your breakdown from your EMA 200 and SMA 50, that usually leads to a further capitulation. But I think that this is facing a potential bottom soon. Daily time frame stochastics are already kind of pivoted towards the upside. We're going to have to do a deeper dive into this really to determine this. 4-hour time frame does have an upside-ish, right? We definitely have expansion starting. So, but yeah, the more immediate short term is still suggesting a downside here. So this may very well touch back down to the 126.34 today, and maybe even consider a continuation. Keep an eye on the daily average true range. You're looking at a $10.66 average true range with an opening today of about 133. You're at 127. Right? So marking off 123, that would put you very close to my target here, to 122.20. Right? So everything's matching kind of nicely. But yeah, team, expect I know that I have this live on YouTube, but this is the kind of educational content that I will share with you day in and day out. And I will also share it in individual posts that we can keep as pins in some of the channels. I got you, Galvin. No problem. And Fern5 saying Tesla gap down, dude. 209.77. Damn, it's happening. Jeez, that bottom side target may actually happen. We have a 204.06, but the 206.89 to 207 whatever is also there because of the average true range. Yeah. Look at that thing closed beneath the linear regression band and completely reversed. This is very typical for price action to do. All right, team. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and cut out now, team. My little guy's over there awake. I want to make sure that he's not bothering my daughter too much. But check it out. Meta breaking down beneath the SMA 50 here. There could be a play soon. It's 10 a.m., right? So this would be your confirmation candle. I'm sorry, the next one would be the confirmation candle. So 30 seconds left to close this 5-minute. Wait for the retracement. Make sure that it keeps itself closing beneath the SMA 50. Potential downside play here to reach support levels of, damn, holy crap. You can get a whole maybe 2 points. So 372.19 to about 371.54. 372.66, corrected? 372.19. 372.66 to 372.19 is what I'm looking at here. So, yeah, this is the confirmation candle printing right now. This is the retracement validation of the SMA 50. And then if you get it, you know, good. But if you don't, it's all good. But I love you, team. I'm going to go ahead and sign out right now and see what's goody in the hoodie. I got to get my son lined up. But I appreciate everybody for coming on by. Please remember, team, that our YouTube team, remember that I'm extending the invite so that you can come down and chill with me and the team and trade at Market Open. Yeah, Tesla is doing it. All right, you guys, let me just say goodbye to the YouTube first. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy or sell or hold actually any assets whatsoever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very, very good rest of your day. I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.